Are you looking for a heat press machine for your business? Check out our top 5 picks for the best machines on the market. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty machine for a large-scale business or a compact machine for a small business, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number: Planet Flame Professional Clamshell Heat Press Machine. Planet Flame Heat Press Machine is best for industrial, professional, small studio, and personal use. The high-quality 15 inches by 15 inches heat press machine is with a great heating capacity and automatic shut-off function. It could print, transfer, or expand heat transfer pattern on any cotton fabric, paper, canvas, and more materials. You will get excellent results when using the product. The temperature can be adjustable to the different material thicknesses, and it has auto shut-off system to prevent from overheating. The heating plate of machine could greatly dissipate heat, and it can automatically shut off when the temperature is overheat or any accidents. For professionals especially, these machines are highly recommended instead of using irons. Irons cannot reach the high temperatures and pressure that a heat press machine can reach and sustain. It can better control the pressure during transfer and optimize the transfer effect. List 2. Vevor Heat Press Machine. The Evor SD50 heat press machine is a perfect tool for all kinds of small businesses and personal preference. Its LCD screen display makes it simple to adjust parameters, while the audible alarm keeps you in the loop of when the heating time and temperature have been reached. The swing arm allows this versatile machine to rotate 360 degrees, which away from bottles or mugs, and its spring plate can be replaced with different accessories, such as mug press, cap press, easy and simple to assemble. Preferably, heat press machine is adhered to the entire service life and economic performance, so we provide special treatment for customers to find the ideal one. Our heat press machines are designed in accordance with strict quality standards, ensuring a fast workmanship and high efficiency. The internal structure of our products are all made of high-quality materials, which have excellent performance against abrasion and rust corrosion. List 3. HTV Ront Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTV Ront Auto Heat Press Machine is a time saver. It greatly reduces the guesswork of pressure. After setting the temperature and time, it auto-determines the thickness of the item to be pressed, up to 1 inch thick, and controls the optimum pressure. Meanwhile, this smart heat press machine for t-shirts will auto-release the item after pressing. This heat press machine for t-shirts combined with NTC thermistor technology will heat up quickly in a short time. Save your 30% waiting time. And precise control of the temperature at each position of the heating plate is the same. Distributes heat evenly. There is enough heating capability for almost any projects. This 15 by 15 inches heat press offers a maximum temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit and can hold up to 4.25 to 5.0 ounces of fabric per layer. It has been designed to provide 4 different heat settings: 160 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 to 95 degrees C, which can be easily adjusted by turning a knob located at the back of the machine. List number: Aki DIY Upgraded 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Designed for heavy-duty professional use, Aki DIY Upgraded 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine is an all-in-one solution for his or her t-shirt and cap production needs. Our new heat press machine adopts the latest heating technology. Its aluminum press casting heating plate with Teflon coating is harmless to the cloth and can make sure the texture of transferred t-shirt is smooth and even. The material pressing height can be adjusted according to different thicknesses of t-shirt, which ensures 2 plates can fit together perfectly. This heat press machine provides a full range pressing, directly and evenly, which guarantees the quality of finished transfers. The advanced heat press design provides 2 co-extrusions for the thick and thin materials, double heating effect, extensive temperature range, and better stability during printing process. The multi-spring pressure knob can adjust the pressure according to material thickness. List number: Vevor 12 by 10 inch heat press dual digital heat press machine. This flatbed heat press machine comes with a 12 by 10 inches heat platen and features a swing arm that can rotate 360 degrees. Its rectangular frame adds a modern and clean look to your workspace, as does its t-shirt press swing-away design. Made of die-cast metal, the plate is extremely durable and operates smoothly on every heating element. Swing arm has 360 degrees rotation for better positioning of the transferable area. Equipped with adjustable spring plate that enriches the control over thick items and ensures even pressure across the entire surface. Our heat press machine is great for applying graphics to t-shirts, garments, bags, mats, jigsaw puzzles, and more. This helps prevent burns over the hot platen surface. The t-shirt press swing-away style protects you from potential burns over hot platen and provides a complete view of your layout.